And the excavation is done. Now it's time for plumbing. So first thing is they delivered all the PVC pipe. Then with spray paint, they marked the locations of the pipes. Next is the plumbing for the pool. The first thing to install is the actuator. The three main features for our pool is an 8-foot sheer waterfall, a bubbler, and an in-ground floor cleaning system. From what I can see, most of the plumbing, if not all of the plumbing, goes through the actuator. So this is the first time I've actually seen this being done. What they do is they heat the PVC pipe up with a blowtorch. And once it's hot enough, it becomes like spaghetti. And you can shape it or mold it any way you want to. And once it's in the shape you desire, pour water on top of it to harden it back up. So we have a bunch of complicated PVC pipes running everywhere. I do not pretend to understand how this all works, but it looks amazing. And I have a ton of respect for these plumbers. They did a great job. So once the actuator was installed, they began running PVC pipes throughout the pool. Like I said before, all these PVC pipes connect to the actuator. And this is the skimmer install. Once they're finished laying the pipes, they cover them with sand. I'm not really sure why, but that's what they do. And here's that blowtorch again. I find it pretty cool, because you want to get it hot enough, but you don't want to burn the material. And this connection here is the drain for the bottom of the pool. And I notice with all these connections for these drains, they make sure it's level. And more sand to cover the pipes with. So the plumber on the left, it looks like he is connecting the pipes for the waterfall. This pipe also connects to the bubbler. It's on the same pump. Okay, the plumbing for the pool is all done. All pipes are covered with sand, and all the PVC pipes are capped on top. The pool equipment will be on the side of our house. They had to bring a machine in to dig the trench for the piping. And they hit an irrigation line, as you can see all the water's going everywhere. So they brought in this smaller excavator to dig a trench from the pool all the way to the pool equipment, which is on the side of the house. The trench had to be wide enough to allow for 6 PVC pipes to be laid down flat. Here's where the pool equipment is on the side of the house. And those 6 PVC pipes run to the pool. And once again, I want to thank you guys for watching. And remember, if you like these videos, give a thumbs up and share it. If you love them, hit subscribe. It's free.